Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the background image for your lock screen wallpaper on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now on the lock screen here, make sure you turn on the lock screen and then touch and hold onto that, and then tap on customize, then tap on lock screen. Next, tap on the image icon at the bottom. And from the image selector tool, select an image that you want to use. So here I'm going to say I'm going to select this image here. Then you can also swipe across to choose a color effect and then tap on done. And that's it. So that is how you can change your lock screen background image. Now what you can also do is go into settings, and in settings go down and tap on wallpaper and then tap on customize, and from here you can also change the background image for your wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.